So I'm gonna have some salmon and veggie tater tots that are sweet potato and cauliflower. Putting the oven on 350. My medium Pampered Chef stone. Just put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Take a paper towel and just coat the stone. Taking a piece of garlic. And to take the garlic and get the covering off, what you do is take the bulb and smash it with your hands, and it opens a little bit. And then you take the covering off. And I always cut the ends off. I wish I had the Pampered Chef garlic cutter, but I have this garlic press. So I'm going to just press the garlic. Over my salmon and scooping it off. And see, there's barely anything left inside. Some salt and pepper. I always use sea salt and a little bit of basil. Just take a pinch and put it across the top. Goes into the oven on the bottom rack for 30 minutes. What I like about this garlic press, it has the cleaning tool to get the garlic out of the bottom that's left over. That makes it easier to clean it. So the salmon is done, and the sweet potato tater tots are done. And just to clean the stone, you just have to wipe it. And when it gets too bad and too sticky, you just put some baking soda on it and scrub it.